This is the Bride of Pinbot, fully modified with pin soundboard. Let's get started.
What's up guys, this is Tampatec. A few weeks ago I made a video how to buy a pinball machine from eBay, also how to set up and troubleshoot a pinball machine. And this is the machine, Bride of Pinbot, is made by Williams. Williams went out of business in 1999, so these are collectible, and Williams pinball machines back in the 90s and even the 80s are highly sought after because they're considered one of the best of pinball machines during that time frame. A few weeks ago I did show how to set up and troubleshoot a pinball machine. In this video I'm going to show you all the amazing mods you can do for a 30-year-old pinball machine. If you guys are interested in any of these mods, check out the links in the video description below. I'm going to be referring to eBay for most of my mods, and also pinside.com has a huge mod community. Also check out pinsound.org. Check out the link below. This one's fully modded. And this is the Getaway I just received from Little Shop of Games. This is a local shop here in the Tampa Bay area. This pinball machine came from eBay, but the company was Orange County Pinball, and I bought it from them. Orange County Pinballs, I'm sorry. So if you live in the LA area, check out Orange County Pinballs. The Getaway I haven't yet modded, but I have mods coming this week and next week. So I might make a video about that if you guys really like this video, and post a comment below if you want to check out the mods for the Getaway pinball machine. This is Getaway High Speed 2 pinball machine, is one of the world's fastest pinball machines. Anytime you get a pinball machine, it's always good to keep a repair log, and everything you do to work on the pinball machine, it's always good to have a record of. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with my repair log and also my mod log. Now, what was done to this pinball machine when I bought it, it had full LED kit installed. All the old light bulbs were removed and the LED light bulbs were installed, making it look brighter, cleaner looking, and it causes less stress on the circuit board because it's not pushing out as much watts. Less work on the circuit board means longevity on that board, and the connectors don't get burned up. Also, you save money on electricity, which is always a good thing. Now let me go ahead and open everything up. You want to close that door so it doesn't scratch the glass. And to pull out the glass, you just grab the sides and then hold it like that. And I place the glass on foam, just like that.
Now, like I said, the LED lights came with the pinball machine, but they're actually from Comet Pinball if you're going to buy them separately. They come as a kit or individually, I think around 70 cents each, or the kit for the whole pinball machine would cost you $150. And it does have a voltage limiter resistor, which makes the LED lights last longer. And my son helped me install those spotlights. The shuttle on the left is another mod we installed, and purple lights around her head. So these are purple LED lights I bought separately. And there's some more colored LED lights right there to make the colors pop more. So right here, these are dual spotlights, and we have them on each side of the playfield to brighten up the dark playfield. And they strobe light during different sequences during gameplay, and they're wired underneath the playfield to the slingshot LED light. Right here we have LED flipper buttons, really easy to install. They're clear buttons with LED lights behind them. And right here is the PinSound headphone station that plugs into the PinSound soundboard. And when you unplug it, then the speakers kick on. And you can use the volume knob to control the volume on the speakers or your headset. So you can play it late at night, which is really cool. Instead of opening up the coin door and adjusting the volume control, you just use the volume knob right there. And it connects to the leg bolts, so you can mount it on the left or right side. And underneath the cabinet we have a simple LED strip, and that plugs into the circuit board behind the back glass. They do have a mod for the display. It's the LED display mod, but I did not need it, so I didn't buy it. And I'm going to show you now the battery mod and also no more reset. The no more reset is really needed if you have the shaker, because the 5 volts logic could drop down and reset the CPU, and then you have to start your game all over. And the battery mod is a must because the alkaline batteries sometimes leak on the circuit board, and the battery acid does damage the circuit board. So having a lithium battery that lasts 5 years versus 6 months is a must. Here is the PinSound soundboard that connects to the shaker board, which is connected all the way down there underneath the playfield to the shaker. And the shaker shakes the whole machine. It's really strong. And right here we have the equalizer knobs. The USB connection on the left is where you plug in your sound packs, and on the right is the headphone station connection. And you can adjust the bass, the mids, and the treble. And it's simple plug and play. You just swap one board for another board. So I took out the Brida Pinbot soundboard and using the same mounting screws mounted the PinSound soundboard plus and just unplugged the old plugs and plugged in the same plugs into the new board, and everything's labeled so you can't really mess that up. Now most high-end pinball machines that cost $7,000-$8,000 have built-in shakers. This one does not cost nowhere near that. It's around a couple $100s, and it has 3 connections, easy plug and play installation. The top left plug plugs into the power connection to the Brida Pinbot board to power the circuit board, and the right rainbow color connection connects directly to the PinSound Plus board, and the bottom connection connects to the shaker motor, and you can adjust the intensity level of the shaker, low, medium, and high. I have mine set to medium. Now right here I upgraded all 3 speakers for the mids and for the subwoofer, and these sound so much better than the old speakers, and they do come with the mounting bracket. Now right here I installed this shuttle mod to make the shuttle ramp a little bit more exciting. It comes with all these cool LEDs on the shuttle mod, and the circuit board mounts underneath the playfield and connects to one of the LED lights under the playfield. Now I'm going to give you a small demo of the sound pack that I downloaded from the PinSound community. And once again, you just download this straight to your USB drive, plug it in, turn on your pinball machine, wait for it to load, and you'll have this sound pack installed. Now right here is the subwoofer that came with a 3-pack of speakers and does come with the mounting bracket. That's simple plug and play, really easy to install. This is the shaker itself. It's small but very, very powerful. It'll shake the whole machine. And I think medium is plenty strong. That is the cover to protect your hand from getting chopped off. Now the shaker and the shaker board does come with a template, so it's fairly easy to install. Just drill some holes and screw in the bolts. Even my son can do it. And this is him tightening down the bolts. And you want to make sure you put the cover on because it's going to protect your hand. And you want to plug it in last. Now right here is the LED button mod that simply plugs into this special bulb the coin return bulb. And of course the wires, the special bulb, and the LEDs and the buttons come in one kit. And right here is the USB drive with the sound pack. And I plugged it into a 3.0 USB extender that plugs into the pin sound board behind the back glass. I did it this way just so it's easier to swap sound packs. And right here is the board for the shuttle. And it is soldered to one of the LED lamps underneath the playfield.
So guys, if you do decide to get a used pinball machine, I highly suggest getting a Williams pinball machine from the 90s because they're no longer in business. They're highly sought after, they're collectible, and they're considered one of the best pinball manufacturers from the 90s. If you guys found this video informative, give me a big thumbs up. If you know anyone that loves pinball, go ahead and click on the share button below, share this video to them. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. Later.